usually one is most comfortable doing play in their mother tongue. मैं हिंदू कॉलेज में बहुत सारे थिएटर प्रोडक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करा. फर्स्ट ईयर में गए तो इंग्लिश ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी ज्वाइन कर ली. इंग्लिश में पहला नाटक आईआईटी दिल्ली में था. नाटक हो गया, नाटक की पार्टी हो गई, मैंने अपने डायलॉग भी बोले स्टेज पर. मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आया था कि स्टोरी क्या थी. तो उसके बाद में मैंने ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी चेंज करी, हिंदी ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी ज्वाइन करी. आप अपनी मातृभाषा में बेटर परफॉर्मेंसेस दे पाते हैं. Second language is twice as difficult, and the third language is many times more difficult. So they have practiced their dialogues in English, they've understood it in Hindi, and they're trying to express it in German, which is a case study in itself. I would hope that when you find that right opportunity, you would encourage them with your applause, because applause is this one language that we understand no matter which language we speak. Applause, smile, and tears are universally understood, as much as I think Coke as well. Coke as a brand is also understood everywhere in the world, and we understand that red color. We are expecting the show to finish in about 90 minutes time. Before we begin, my few housekeeping announcements. We have 3 exits to these halls. One is the exit that you came from. Other is the exit that the dignified guest came from. And we have another exit to this hall where that push door is kept. We are not expecting any alarms to go off. We are also hoping that this event will go without fire. If something happens, stay calm. We have adequate exits for all of us to exit the hall in a peaceful manner. All of you are carrying these smartphone devices, and all of these devices have a silence button. Please make use of that silence button, for what is most precious to us is already with us. There is nothing more important that can happen in the world in the next 90 minutes. We hope that you would like the show, and if you have feedback, we would love to hear that feedback back from you as well. Special thanks to grandparents who are here with us, and hope that your grandchildren do you proud today. Thank you very much, guests. Thank you very much for making it on time.
Thank you, sir. Music is a piece of art that travels through our ears straight to the heart. So now we have the students of Rhythms Club with a marvelous presentation of Ganesh Vandana, titled as Panchratnam in Sanskrit. As we all know that Sanskrit and German share many similarities. So after this Sanskrit presentation, we have the students of Rhythms Club to present a beautiful song in German, which is all about myself.
Club, it was indeed a wonderful performance. They truly deserve 100 of hands. Annual report is the listed information about the school's progress, performance and achievements in the previous year. So here come the students of Orators Club to present the annual report.
Nehru World School is the beginning of a lifelong adventure known as learning. The journey for us began 38 years back with an aim to provide each one of us exciting educational experience designed to become a caring, thoughtful and a well-balanced human being.
The vision of NWS is to strive for excellence today in order to prepare us to succeed in a challenging world tomorrow. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of a good institution. So let's begin with the remarkable result achieved by Nehru World School.
NWS has upheld its impressive track record with an outstanding 100% pass result in 2016 CBSE board exam of class 12, while out of 114 students, 21 students secured 90% and above. Devisha Gaur of 12 PCMB topped the school as well as the stream by scoring 95%. Shadnu Verma of Science PCM has topped the school and the stream with 94.4%. Commerce with Math has been taught by Paki Gupta with a score of 94.2%. The topper of Humanities is Manisha Singh with 86.2%. Out of 114 students in class 10th, 15 scored 10 CGPA and 40 students backed CGPA 9 and above. And all the students with 10 CGPA without upgradation have been rewarded with a scholarship. We are hopeful about reaching even greater heights this year.
Apart from showing competence in board exams, Nehru World School had outshone its splendid performance in various other fields. The motto of Nehru World School is knowledge, wisdom and courage. We upheld its motto by exhibiting it truly through achievements in various fields.
NWS added laurels to its name on 7 January 2016 as it was awarded India's first British Council English Language Quality Standards membership. NWS is one of the 5 schools across India to grab this prestigious certification. The English Language Quality Standards program is a new collaborative initiative to deliver high-quality English language education to our pupils. Through this, NWS would situate the quality of its English language programs of study against international norms.
NWS was also conferred by the Brain Feed magazine with the prestigious School Excellence Award in a ceremony on February 4th. The school has been awarded for effectively and efficiently imparting quality education to new generation and for immense contribution to literacy in the society for a progressive nation.
A disaster management seminar was conducted on 28 April 2016 at Nehru World School, Ghaziabad. NWS has been recognized for stepping forward in the direction of becoming a disaster prepared school. The seminar was initiated by National Disaster Response Force (NDRF) with a knowledge partner, Global Academy of Public Safety and Habitat Management, GAPSIM, New Delhi. Principals, directors and heads from about 45 schools of Delhi and NCR attended the seminar. Seminar focused on why, what and how on emergency disaster management and risk reduction in schools.
The 16 meritorious students of Nehru World School, Ghaziabad were selected in the most coveted and prestigious engineering entrance test IIT JEE Mains 2016 and elevated the school's flag high. About 30.5% students cleared the IIT Mains this year. The efforts of the students and the parents proved prolific with the announcement of the result. We are confident that all these students would surely succeed with flying colors.
Among other scholar achievers, Shantanu Verma of batch 2014-15 got selected in IIM Indore and Prakhar Gupta got selected in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Shantanu Verma of 2015-16 batch has been selected in IIT Delhi. Jagrita Yadav has been selected in NIFT, Bangalore. Arjun Chaudhary and Yatharth Rohtagi both have been selected in NIT Kurukshetra and Jamshedpur respectively. And Harshita Chauhan cleared entrance exam of Delhi College of Arts. Aman Malik of 2007 batch has been recently posted as judge in Madhya Pradesh.
NWS showed its dynamic achievement when 5 students of Nehru World